Yeah. Ukraine details what crypto donations are being spent on. The war-torn nation says it has spent the nearly $100 million in crypto it has received to buy bulletproof jackets, helmets, food, and more. $100 million in crypto, that's not nothing, Will.
It's something.
Here we see some of their outfits. I mean, on some level, war, like other things, is not on some level. In a major way, it's economic. It's who's got the funds, who buys the stuff. From March 1, the war-torn nation has used crypto donations to buy 5,500 bulletproof jackets, 410,000 packed lunches, 500 ballistic plates for bulletproof vests, 3,125 thermal imagers and optics, 500 helmets, 3,427 medicines, and 60 walkie-talkies, according to Bornyakov, who I presume Alex Bornyakov, Ukraine's deputy minister in the Ministry of Digital Transformation. Oh, he's another one inside the digital transformation ministry they've been talking about. That's why he's the crypto guy.
Yeah. Yeah.
He told CoinDesk that some of Ukraine's weapons suppliers are accepting payments directly in crypto, but he could not reveal what military equipment was being bought because of national security concern. Directly in crypto. Yes, we will accept your crypto.
Yeah.
You want the vest?
Directly.
You want the vest? We accept the crypto.
Yeah. Good for them.
Yeah.